You parents out there are asking yourself, what do I do with these drugs that I found in my kid's bedroom? Maybe found in their pants before laundry, maybe found in your car that they borrowed the night before. You don't even know what these pills are. You don't know what these powders are. What do you do with them? In Florida, it is a defense. If you get caught with that stuff, you're driving that car and it's got some drugs that really weren't yours, you were going to throw them away. We have a defense called the temporary possession of a drug for purposes of legal disposal. But to avail yourself to that defense and win your drug case, you have to really drive in a narrow lane. And first of all, you're going to have to possess these drugs for the sole purpose of quickly disposing of them. And you're going to have to quickly dispose of them in 3 different ways. You got to destroy them, you're going to have to throw them out, or you're going to have to give them to law enforcement. I don't like giving them to law enforcement because I did a video on the Stanton case, and Stanton gave them to the police and still got arrested. So, that's not my favorite option, but it is an option under Florida law. The point is you got to do this without delay. Don't let this stuff sit in your car or your purse for days and days and days on end, because then you're not going to get the defense of temporary possession for legal disposal. Second of all, if the cops were just going to discover this stuff anyway, or about to discover the stuff, well, then you also don't have the defense. You're like, if the cops are already searching your car, you're like, oh, I was going to give those to you. That defense is not going to work. You have to avail yourself to this defense long before they're about to discover this drug. And I wish you luck. I hope that you don't get charged with anything if you find something that somebody in your family or friends shouldn't have.